Hi everyone, you're welcome. In today's video, I would like to share with you how I made this best Nigerian vegetable soup, Efo Riro. So join me and let's cook. Here are the proteins I'll be using. I have goat meat, cow tripe, and cow skin, also called Pomo. I will season the proteins with onion. I will also season the proteins with chicken and beef seasoning cube. Then I'll add a little bit of water and a teaspoon of salt. Then cover, allow this to simmer on a low heat for 15 minutes. So I quickly check on the proteins, and at this point I'm going to add more water to cover all the meat. Then cover and allow it to continue cooking for like more 20 to 25 minutes until the protein is halfway done or is almost tender. So for the vegetable, I'm using a full soko as the vegetable for this soup recipe. You can use ugu, you can also use a green amaranth, and you can also use spinach. But for that authentic Efo Riro soup, this vegetable is the best. So now I will go ahead to wash the vegetable with salt, and I will wash this for like 3 to 4 times. So now I'll go ahead to blanch this vegetable. This method is a traditional way to make this soup. So after I've blanched this, I will go ahead to pour iced water to stop the cooking process, and it also helps to prevent the vegetable from becoming overcooked. So next is to slice the vegetable and keep it aside to use later as we proceed. Okay. The pepper mix I'm using for this recipe is a tatashi, also known as bell pepper, and chili pepper. We also call it shombo. And I have some few yellow habanero pepper and one big size of onion. So if you are enjoying this video, please go ahead and hit the like button and share to your friends and your loved ones who might like to watch this kind of video. Subscribe, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in to watch. God bless you so much. I'll give you all a big hug. Thank you so much. So at this point, I'm removing the seed of the tatashi. You know, the seed sometimes may taste bitter, so it's good to remove the seed whenever you are making any recipe that involves tatashi. So at this point, I will go ahead to blend the peppermint, but I won't blend it smoothly because I love the color it gives to this soup. So but you can choose to blend yours smoothly. Okay, it's a matter of choice. So at this point, I'll quickly check on the proteins. This is like about 30 minutes. It has been cooking on a very high heat. So I will take it off the stove because it's almost tender. So now we'll proceed to make the soup. In a dry pot, I add palm oil, the amount that will be enough to make the soup. Then I'll go in with the pepper mix that we blended earlier. So I'll fry this for 15 minutes on a medium high heat. And after 15 minutes, I'll go in with some locust bean, also known as Iru, and I'll also add some powdered crayfish. So after it has fried for 15 minutes, I will go in with some washed catfish, that is smoked catfish. Then I'll add some prawn. Then I'll give it a good mix. So at this point, I will add the cooked proteins, and I will also add a little amount of the meat stock. Then I will mix everything together. So at this point, I'm adding some pieces of deboned mackerel smoked fish. So after I've added the fish, I will cover, allow it to simmer on a low heat for 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, I will finally add the vegetable. And at this point, after adding the vegetable, you can quickly give it a taste to make sure that the whole seasoning is well balanced, and if you can adjust. And finally, our soup is ready. It tastes so delicious and amazingly beautiful. So thank you so much for watching, and consider to like, share and comment, and see you in my next other video.